Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today just keeps getting better and better because now I have the 2012 Porsche 911 Turbo S Cabriolet. This one, of course, has PCCB, Porsche Carbon Ceramic Brakes. Of course, Cabriolet. This is the 991.2. Whoop. Slide right in. I did drive it with the top down a little bit. It's really cold, so that was a no-go. Let's check this thing out. 530 horsepower. Park assist system, clear taillights, the 12-way power seats, heated, ventilated seats, and Sirius XM. Whew. All right. So, pretty good spec on this one. Is that's a heck of an Allen wrench. Wow. All books, manuals, everything. Comes integrated with a passport, radar system. Oh, come on. That's even high quality. You do have back seats, but you know. Oh, there's your controls. Oh yeah, this thing is absolutely amazing. Obviously, I drove it for a little bit, get some temp in the tires and some oil temp, and it is just sensational. Obviously, Porsche's dual clutch, PDK, stands for Porsche something or other. It's all German, and I don't speak German yet. Porsche Doppel something. So I have put it in Sport Plus. Obviously, Turbo S is all-wheel drive. I'm a little nervous about this, to be honest. I haven't floored it yet. Got a little nerves. Okay, yeah, that's a game changer. Right there, just right there. That's game changing. Whoa! Holy crap! Oh my! Oh! What on earth? Listen, I daily a Hellcat, and that took the breath out of me. This is 200 horse less than my car. There's no reason. Well, it also is probably half the weight. But it's not a lightweight machine like a GT2 RS, and this thing hooked and booked. Third gear, let's see. Whoa. So 4,000 RPM. That's 10 mile an hour like that. Oh, this is a different animal. This is not nice. Okay, I see why these are seen as the supercar killers. Okay, that's next level. There's no reason it needs to drive like that. Okay. All right. That is RS e-tron. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. Why? Listen, this is only 530 horsepower. That felt like 7. Nope, that's not. That's just mind-blowing. I see why the previous owners installed a passport radar detector. Because the thing is, it's so effortless. Whereas the Boxer Spider I was in, you know, that really just, you know, you can, when you were pushing that, you can feel it. This, you can feel it, but the numbers don't make sense. You look down at your speedometer and you're like, no, that's not that speed. It can't be that speed. And I'm about to step into the 2021, cross my fingers, I have the keys for it, so hopefully. I'm about to step into the 2021 Turbo S. Almost 10 years difference from this. I don't even know what that's gonna be like. I'm a little nervous. Still firmly believe PDK is one of the best automatics on the market, hands down. It's absolutely sensational. Okay, all right, that's next level. I'm a big fan of this thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.